do this. We are back at this. It's going to be abandoned, right? Well, this building's abandoned, but there's like part of the hospital. We ain't too sure. What we're going to do is just rock up to the front door. There's 3 sections here. The first one and the second one are accessible. Okay.
Rush.
So I think we're here.
Yeah, we're in.
God, there's a hole down there, so be careful. Fucking hell. Jesus. Lift.
Yeah. What's that? I don't know.
What does it sound like to you?
I don't know. I thought it was the windows.
I thought it was a what?
Mine was saying.
What are you saying? Can you see me cool? Are you good? Back up and running with the Urbex. But the thing that we normally do, I don't know what the fuck I'm whispering like there's fucking people that live here, wasn't it? Basically, we always do our explorations at night. There's many channels that do that, is there?
No,
I think it's like, from our research anyway. Yeah, and they don't do it like full time, like that. Like, a lot of our stuff, I think 90% of our stuff is all done at night. I don't know, I think there's something a little bit better about it, a little bit more
spooky.
Yeah, a little bit more spooky, definitely. Let's go, let's continue this. We've only just got into the first building. And for anyone that's going to come here, they fucking don't want to use that.
He's still locked out.
He's still locked out. It says, fucking, I have not got a clue, bro. What's that one?
It's the toilet. This is the toilet.
What's all that? That's probably asbestos or some shit, isn't it? Oh, I'm never getting that. Never getting that.
Hello? Okay, I thought it was someone walking or something.
It's these fucking blinds, isn't it? Jesus Christ, I'm sweating. Well, this is why it smells of piss. It's very strong. like a little nursery thing. So I think sometimes if the parents and that as well, innit? Like if they're, I don't know, single mums and if for an operation they look after the kid, innit? I think. I don't know. To be fair, it ain't that bad. Like the roof, like the structure and all that seems pretty. I'm gonna say that and go through this fucking floor. But it seems alright. What the fucking hell?
Yeah, there's a few of them, yeah.
It's like an old.
Oxygen pumps.
Yeah, I think so. Hey, bruv, it's straight out of the fucking road and that. Fucking hell, bruv. Straight out.
Fuck it. Straight up, fuck it.
Okay, where the fuck are we?
We're in the second.
We're in the middle one, yeah? Oh, do you remember Camberley Military Hospital we went to?
Yeah, that was sick, bro.
Oh, that was fucking jokes. Oh, there's another one.
What's that? Another what?
Little fucking hatch. I wouldn't stand on that fucking. You looking? I can see you looking. I can see you behind that chair up. No, as if to say, I'm going to stand on this chair and see if I can get into that hatch. Yeah. Bad man takes. Feels a bit soft on the floor. So these things used to fucking literally in school, isn't it?
You know that.
The first building we've come into, we've done in here, but we'll see if we can get into the second one. Technically, this is the second one because it's in the middle, and the first one and the third one, we're not too sure which is which, but let's just try it. Oh my days! I nearly fell down these fucking stairs.
Come all the way down there.
No, we didn't. We came in and came left.
Oh, you go, mate. You went to the toilet, didn't you?
Oh, she looks spankers, bruv. Don't we, bro?
No, there's a hole down there. Careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Fucking beat it.
Hey, that looks spankers though. That looks fresh, mate.
Have a shower after, mate.
Oh, I might come back and just have to put this in my house. Oh, there has to be curtains, bruv.
Oh, that's what I said to you earlier. It's fucking creepy.
Out for everything. Oh my god. Surgeons. What are these? What would this have been for? I'm not too sure what they would have used that for. Like staff locker or some shit. Staff locker or some shit?
Yeah. And your jackets and shit.
Oh, there's a fresh window. No one fucking smashed it. No. That is rare. Oh, bruv. What is it? Oh, that's right. Been open for a while, bruv. Isn't it?
Stinks,
Oh my god. Bruv, I think you just let the devil out. Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. Ew. There's steps there, bruv.
I know.
Holy fuck. Yeah, just follow this so I can get it in it.
I think it's taking us to the dead end, isn't it?
No. Oh, cool. We found that entrance. Kid fuck. It's quite a lot of stairs.
It's down that way. I think it's on the right hand side. It's gonna be.
Is it that one?
I think so.
Fuck you, Rick.
I think it's down there. It's to the right.
In here?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh shit, it's Tonka.
That's mad.
Oh, it's like a fucking...
Basement or something, isn't it?
I don't know, no, it's like an old... Oh,
Oh shit,
me.
pigeon and that or something. Fucking.
Jesus Christ, mate, you go.
I think that's probably not right.
Yeah. Oh, my feet stick to the ground, bruv. Bruv, where did that fucking bird go? Oh. Bruv, my feet are sticking to the ground. What is it? Oh. Withers. Oh. Fuck it up. Little bastard, where'd he go? There they are. Oh, the bathroom. Oh, shit. Hello, mate.
Explain something or not.
Yeah.
We just need to find the creaky sound, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, but it's like, you went past it.
It sounded like it was
behind. They're going mad. Right, get out of it.
Before they start shitting off.
Yeah, you know that.
They're freaking us out when we're out in another room in the attic.
Whoopsie. It does sound freaky.
You really want you put it back on. We got down to it, didn't we?
Yeah.
On the stairs.
Old school S's.
Old school S.
Have a look. I think this thing's running out of battery. It's going to be another thingy floor and it is soaked. I think. Half a door. Like a... Bro, this fucking graffiti.
Yeah, it's got up, bro.
Let's do it. Oh, that is disgusting, that floor. Oh my god. Someone say. It's fucked, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro, you know what this is?
What?
Pigeon shit. That is pigeon shit.
Soft shit.
Yep. You ain't catching me going through there, mate. Oh, bro, I was thinking, why is it spongy? Oh, it's not as bad this way.
No.
Well, floor ain't. A little bit, it's dusty, but I don't think... Bro, I can't breathe this shit in. You got your mask on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep it on.
You hit your man. Nothing in there.
Got the pole loose. So, it's definitely 10 out of 10 for creativity on the graffiti. I mean, that's it. Very much going on down here. Bro, look at my fucking train. I'm not saying that they ain't saying they're decent or nothing, because I don't give a shit about. All I'm saying is that is pigeon shit. Let's just do it, man. Fuck's sake. Oh, it's so thick. Like your mum.
Find out where that fucking banging was coming from.
It is a heavy stench of piss. Oh my god. Bruv, there's another door with more stairs there. Oh yeah. Because you got stairs there. Where we just come from. Stairs there. I remember we walked past and it was to our right. What's in there? Huh? Oh my god, yeah. Like different. Look at that swastika thing. Just loads of little rooms and that here. What?
Oh, there's a pigeon in the loft. So it might have been that you heard.
Yeah. I'm just like, oh. Don't know what else to say. This is we're done in here really. This is the second building. This is definitely not the one that people can't get into. Which, oh my god, bird shit. It's about a couple inches fucking thick or something. I don't feel like that's fucking disgusting. But we're pretty much done in 2 buildings out of the 3. There's an active hospital still here, and there's like 3 derelict buildings here, 3 abandoned buildings here, and the first one, the closest to the active hospital, that one you can get into, the middle one you can get into, fairly easy on both, and the third one, you can't get into it, and it looks fairly sort of untouched. Not a lot's sort of been done on it or whatever, do you know what I mean? There's no sort of vandalism, it looks like. A couple of windows smashed, but they look like newer windows as well. But I think we're going to come back, to be fair, try that third building, because, you know what I mean, it's nice to explore it. But for now, we're done, boys.